I'm going to show you how to make 2 cups of Caffe Latte today. The first thing that you need is a cup. We are going to use an 8-ounce cup, which is a standard size cup in Malaysia. Feel free to use any cup size that you like, or your favorite cup, or mug, jug, pot, barrel, container, whichever that you like. For Italian style, which we are going to use today, it is 7 grams, 30 ml per shot per cup. That means 1 cup has 1 shot of coffee, which is 7 grams. The next thing that you need is a clean cloth to wipe your frothing wand as well as your portafilter. Next is you need milk. The measurement is the 130 ml milk per cup. We are going to double froth this, and we are going to make 2 cups. So the measurement for coffee is 7 plus 7, which is 14 grams. The measurement for milk is 130 plus 130, which is 260 ml milk. Now, I would strongly suggest that you may want to consider measuring your milk to ensure that you have a more precise measurement, to ensure that your coffee tastes the same. Imagine if you do not measure your milk, what happens is you're going to have like 10 cups of coffee. Some coffee will have a more milky taste, some coffee will have a less milky taste. So to ensure a more consistent taste, you may want to consider measuring your milk, and at the same time this save the cows, save the environment, and you reduce wastage. Step 1, before you start, you like to prepare your milk first. So place fresh milk into this. You need a measuring cup. So what you like to do is you have to make sure that you measure the milk properly into your measuring cup as such. There you go. So that's about 130 ml. So first step, make sure that you measure the milk at 130 ml. Next is you like to place it in the pitcher. So if you are doing double frothing, it is 130 times 2. If you are doing a single, it's 130. So once you pour inside the measuring cup, then you can pour inside the pitcher as such. So remember that you need to prepare your milk first before you actually start. Okay, now before you start making your espresso, you want to flush the head. This is the group head, so you want to flush the group head. You want to flush it for like 1 or 2 seconds. This is to ensure that there's water inside your group head. The group head connects via pipe to your boiler. So this part, there's a pipe there. So what happens is sometimes the water from the pipe will flow out and the pipe will be empty. So you need to flush your head first, roughly about 1 or 2 seconds before you make coffee. Otherwise, sometimes you get like 25 ml instead of 30, and the amount of water may be different, and this affects the taste of your coffee. Place your portafilter inside, place your cup, and press make coffee. Alright, I'm going to teach you how to froth. So this is the frothing one, this is the tip. So what you want to do is you want to froth the milk by placing the pitcher on the tray as such, and then you want the tip to just touch the surface just like that. You can see that it's just touching the surface. This is for a 2-cup latte. So if you like to make a single cup latte, the level is slightly different. You want to be slightly inside, probably be about 1 centimeter inside. You can see it's slightly inside, so 1 centimeter. Otherwise, you want it to be probably just touching the surface just a little bit, and that is just touching the surface, maybe about 1 millimeter or so. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So this machine takes roughly about 5 seconds per cup, double frothing, therefore it is 10 seconds. Once you're done, you want to push the wand so that the milk comes out. can see that the milk comes out. Now it's clean water. Once you're done, you want to serve your cup like that. Swirl it. You may want to heat it on the table to remove any bubbles. Swirl the cup. I like to do this to make sure you have a very even espresso. After that, you want to swirl your milk as such, and then you want to pour it inside your cup.
Goodbye, and please subscribe. I like making coffee. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye, and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording.